The David-1 is a luxurious garden room with nearly 20 square meters of inside space. The standard cabin kit features premium folding doors, which are operated with German-made Gretsch-Unitas fold and slide hardware, double glazed with tempered safety glass windows, extra thick 28mm floorboards and 70mm wall thickness. 2 windows are fixed, while the other 2 windows are openable and equipped with superb quality tilt and turn systems. All 4 windows are the same size, which means that during the cabin construction you can decide where to position the openable windows so that they work best for you. This large garden house can also be installed mirrored so that the folding door and canopy are on the left-hand side. Alternatively, you can view the David-2 model, which is an identical log cabin but with an apex roof.